66 pounds for the rims.
66 pounds of rims. $66. 2 aluminum rims. Look at that sucker. I tell you what, whoever hit that thing, boy, they really hit it. Wow. Smashed that rim. Crazy. Heavy.
Oh yeah, I've made so much space here recently. And then 2 pounds for the bucket.
Yep, 15 pounds.
15, and I said $1.50.
Yep, $1.50 a pound. And then extension cords. There's some fat ones in here too. Good fat ones. What we got here? Yeah, baby.
Next.
35 pounds, but I gotta weigh the bucket. I think it's a 3-pound bucket.
We'll do 3. And what was it up there?
35.
Okay, so 32.
32 pounds. I'm gonna weigh the bucket though.
Alright.
I still want to weigh it. I had a magic marker I'd mark it on. I don't want it to be 5 pounds and why don't you just figure it out? Then if you can write it down, that'd be awesome. You know what I mean? Right. If you have a magic marker, we'll mark it on. Yeah, why not?
I think I got marking here somewhere.
Whose motorcycle?
My brother-in-law's.
Nice.
Taking up space.
Taking up space.
Yeah.
Computers.
Uh-oh.
5 pounds?
Hang on.
Is that stupid?
It's crazy again.
That's stupid. What's it say when you put it on there?
Right now it's at 1.
That's crazy, man.
Look, it's doing it again.
I don't know, I see that.
I never saw that video. Like, I couldn't find that video where it was going crazy.
Yeah, I put it on.
What was everyone saying?
Somebody said, oh, I think you might have found something there. 76 pounds.
I paid $75 for that, right?
Yes. Yeah, that's nice. 76 pounds.
Is that everything?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's everything. You didn't sell all your copper.
Why?
You got this whole Gaylord here.
Yeah, I don't. The hammer company.
Oh, that's for somebody else?
I think I'm going to sell.
Oh, the hammer guy, yeah.
I think so.
Yeah, because it's so clean, right?
Yeah, I need to melt it down, but
That's clean.
yeah, it's, I don't want to get rid of that. Got rid of mine.
You got antiques in there.
Yeah, this one lady, she like goes around to
It's like antiques.
goes around the garage sales and
Gosh,
buys it for me.
that's beautiful.
I got a.
All right, first stop, $208. That's for my rims, the ladders that I picked up the other day, and some miscellaneous that I picked up yesterday at my honey hole. So I took your advice. I believe it was Gulf Coast Scrapper, and I brought my aluminum cables, extension cords to another place. And as you'll see on this video, you were right. I made more money. Thanks for the advice.